Hey everybody, it's Katherine. Welcome to my channel where we like to talk all things beauty and fragrance. I'm a little late to get this video out actually. I had ordered the brand new Pat McGrath Huetopian Dream literally as soon as it came out and was so excited to get this video up for you guys, swatch out the colors and try a few looks, and unfortunately work happened and I've been so exhausted the past couple weeks. No way was I able to make this video. So a little late to get it out, but better late than never, right? I did wait to open it up with y'all, so here we go. So I just did the little thing while we were talking. Bum-ba-da-bum. So you open it up and then inside you get the key of what colors are where. The palette itself. And such loveliness. The colors are so beautiful in terms of wearability for someone my age. I don't know, we're gonna have to work it out, but seriously, I see these beautiful colors and I can't help myself but purchase, full well knowing I'm not brave enough to wear most of them. We're gonna make it work with a couple different looks today. Let's get started. First thing I'll do, get my hair back and swatch them out for you. So we're gonna start with looking at the code here. Skin Show Nude Ecstasy. Secret Eden, Bronze Desire, Bronze Solaris. So if you're unfamiliar with Pat McGrath palettes, she gives you a couple different matte shades for your contour, some shimmers for the lid, and then your glitter for your accents. The glitters are usually on this side of the palette. We have the Bronze Solaris, Astral Venetian Beauty. This is the one that just captures my attention with that holographic charm. Sorry, Astral Venetian Orchid. Then we'll go back to the beginning here. Extreme Plum Noir. Cosmic Bloom. Shockwave. Blitz Sextreme. Go back up here, I'm kind of running out of arm. Oh, that's different than I expected. And then Astral Amethyst Moon, another one of this vibrant plum shades of sparkleness. There also was she had a tool with it, Intensifies Artistry Wand, which was, could intensify the product, but I don't feel comfortable intensifying these shades even further. But there you have it, the swatched out colors, and we'll get started. Truly beautiful, a lot of pinker plum shades. We're gonna have some fun with this palette. I also was very taken back with this one, different than I expected. The first one I'm gonna do is probably the most day-friendly look. I'm gonna start with the shade right there, Secret Eden. I'm gonna take a basic blending brush. And create my crease. The neat thing about Pat McGrath palettes too, you can wet the brush for more intense pigment. I'm gonna take the same contour, a little bit more color. Inner eye and outer eye. Take a compacted contour brush, gonna get a bit of this darker shade down here, Extreme Plum Noir, and then do tight crease. Then I'll take my base brush and pick up this beautiful shimmer, Cosmic Bloom, and apply directly down the center. I'm patting the color in. I'm going to take my contour brush again, just kind of blend out a little. Then I'll take another blending brush and just kind of blend out the rest. If I wanted, I could take this super light shade of pink shimmer there, Skin Show Nude Ecstasy, and highlight. And there you have it, a really, probably the most subdued look you can do with this palette. I could use my black liner, just kind of give a bit of definition, and then mascara, you could be good to go. You could take your pencil brush, pick up a little bit more of that pink, pick up a bit of the shimmer if you want to be a little bit more daring. Do the inner portion of your under eye. There's look number 1. For look number 2, we're going to be a bit more daring, and I'm going to experiment a bit, so we'll see if this works out. I'm going to take my contour brush again. I'm going to pick up this vibrant pink shade here, Shockwave, and again, go in and contour. Again, I'm going to get my more compact contour, go in and pick up this deep plum again, Extreme Plum Noir. Tight contour, and then I'm going to go down inner and outer of the eye. Real quick, I'm going to blend a bit. Then again, take my flat brush. I could wet my brush and get even more pigment, but I'm just going to pick up this interesting shade here. This could be green, could be rose shade, and I'm going to again apply in the center of my eye. This is really a beautiful shade. I am really enjoying this color. I was a bit weary of it, but actually is even prettier than I anticipated. I'm going to pick up just a little bit more of this Plum Noir. I think we could make it even a bit more dramatic. And now I'm going to take a clean blend brush and blend out those edges. Even more drama, you can pick up a bit of that shimmer right along the brow. Then I'm going to take my pencil brush, get a bit of that noir, do the outer edge, and then I'm going to get just a tint and do the inner. So there's 2 different looks. I'm really happy with them. They're actually not quite as dramatic as I thought they were going to be. All right, and because it's Pat McGrath and they're meant to be a bit more dramatic than what I have pictured, we're going to take this one and soup it up a bit. So first thing I'm going to do is get my flat brush and dampen it. That could be done with either water or with like Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, any thing like that. I'm just going to use basic water. Be right back. All right, I've dampened my brush. I'm going to take this flat brush and then go in with, let's see, should we do this one or this one? This one or this one, this one or this one? I think I'm going to go wild and crazy. We're going to go in with this one. Actually, I think what I'm going to first do is take my flat brush, take this original one that we had, and do the entire lid. Now I'm going to take my dampened flat brush with this beautiful purple shade and go in right down the center. And then take my finger and finger apply over it. I then took my finger and then with that original shade that we had, this one, and just kind of redid the outer and the inner portion. Take a flat, wider brush, just kind of blend that just a tad on the edges. And again, with that pink, and do I think I'm going to go in again with my contour Get that darker plum noir. Well, what do y'all think? I don't know. I wonder if I shouldn't have done that shimmer on the base. I'm actually liking this one a lot more than I anticipated. I do have my base and bronzer and some blush on. I did not do concealer yet, obviously mascara liner. I think I might clean this off, do another look, and then finish off the eyes. All right, so we're gonna start again. Look number 3, I guess. This time, I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna take this shimmer shade, what was it, Nude Wave? Skin Show Nude Ecstasy. I'm gonna apply it as a base. Now I'll take that same and pick up this Shockwave, which is actually a lot brighter than it's depicted in the light here, but contour and then doing the outer and inner edges. Then I'm going to take my finger, pick up the shimmer, pink diamondy color there. Bronze Desire it's called. And apply just to the middle of my lid. Flicking myself off here. Flipping, flicking, flipping. Then I'm taking a flat brush, which I've dampened, and picking up this luscious mother of pearl type color up there. Astral Venetian Orchid. And this time I'm doing mid-lid to inner eye. I'm putting the brush down first in the middle, so that's where the majority of the color is deposited, and then brushing towards the lid. Then I'm taking the same contour brush that I used and just kind of blending it. There is a decent amount of fallout, just FYI. I'm going to take a whiter brush, pick up this Skin Show color again, and again highlight the brow bone, which apparently I got on my eyebrow. Good job, Kates. And that is really beautiful in my opinion. I'm going to take my pencil brush, Shockwave, do the under. Pick up the pearl, finger, I think it's pretty. What do you guys think? All right, well, I'm gonna go get my concealer, my eyeliner, and mascara, and then we'll see how these two look with that. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. We got my liner on, mascara, and concealer. So, final product. I gotta say, I'm happily surprised. I wasn't quite sure how wearable these eyeshadows were gonna be on someone not in their 20s, not in their early 30s. I'm happy. I'm actually loving this one a lot more than I thought I would. And I think these are very wearable, a lot more glittery than you probably can see on camera, but still pretty. So let's get the little bit's opinion. Ugh! You know I picked. Okay, so Gracie, I have, look at mommy's eyes. I have two different shades of eyeshadow on. Which eye do you like better?
I don't know. I like both of them. Wider.
Wider. All right, can you tell everybody hi for me? Say hi, subscribers. Hi, viewers.
Hi, subscribers. Hi, viewers.
Mwah. Love you.
Yeah.
So I hope that helped you at all if you were contemplating whether or not to buy this palette or how to use it. So again, that was Pat McGrath's Huetopian Dream, Mothership IX Huetopian Dream. Again, my name's Katherine. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Please feel free to share it with your friends if you think it would benefit them. Let's get our viewing family even larger. Thank you. Appreciate you all. Mwah! And I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.